You're always on the go, you have nowhere to sit, and you need something compact enough that you can take with you that's not gonna take up a lot of space. I have one product for you, and I'm gonna tell you everything you need to know, and I'm gonna show you how it works because I love it and I want you to love it. It is the Chillbo Shwaggins. Now this inflatable couch has been such a lifesaver because I am on the go, I have littles, and I'm on the beach, I'm camping, I'm traveling, and this is such a compact inflatable couch that I can go take with me, and it's super easy and convenient. It might look hard to put together, but I'll do it with you. So unclip, roll out. They have such cute patterns and prints. This is one of my favorite prints. I've had this quite some time, and it's so impressive because when it's such a conversational piece, everyone's like, what is that? Where'd you get it? I highly recommend this product because cute, comfortable, super easy to pack around, and it's light. Like, you just roll it up when you're done with it. So the swoop technique, don't do like all over the place. Oh no, I'm gonna have my gremlin try to come and catch me. So you open one flap, there is two because it is a full loop and you can inflate it. So I'm gonna show you real quick if I can get this little thing off because he loves it so much, he's already ready to go. Now the trick is to keep it kind of in front of you and open and close as you swish. Don't kind of go in a circle like a dog tail because you're just chasing after the wind. No, it's so much work. I can get it down in a few minutes, and then you just roll it up from the top to the desired size you want, depending on if you just want a little bit, or I have children and I have a big husband, so I want it kind of bigger. It has a really big weight capacity. I think I want to say in like the 400 pounds. I haven't tested it out. I haven't gotten that many people on, but my kids and we just take it anywhere we go. We absolutely love this. Now, if you have a family, this is the perfect item to just throw in your car and skedaddle because these kids are absolutely in love with this thing. No matter where I take it, they're always wanting to sit down and give mommy and daddy a